Guys, we got to Mammoth Springs.
And we're gonna go take a look at it this
Yeah.
fall over here.
It's looking
Explore
pretty.
it. It's our first time at Mammoth Springs.
Yep.
We got our cabin, and here in a little bit I'm going to be fishing on the other side of the river.
Yeah. So the cabin, ooh, we'll put whose it is. They rented on Airbnb. We did Travelocity, and it was like pretty sketch, kind of stinks. But this is gorgeous, so we're gonna get a view of this. It's so pretty.
That's that spring.
Hold on. He's really wanting to go fishing. Let's feel like gates.
11 point.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. 11 point goes.
River. We floated the Black River.
Yeah.
But I did bring a hat clip. Look at that moth. Walk around it a little bit. See what I mean? Like, these must be like old something gates with like metal down there where you could like let the water out. I've been by Mammoth Springs a lot because anytime you go to Florida, this is the way we go. We've always wanted to stop and see it. A group of Indians camped in this area along the 1/4 River. "58 degrees. You see that? Most fish are not able to survive. High nitrogen, grass pike, and sculpin are abundant. Grass pike have sharp teeth.
Yeah.
I've learned that watching Alone on TV. It's a great show. So fish don't survive in here.
There's
It says it pike. So there's some more up here. Little waterfall. Gorgeous out. There's quite a few people here, but not like that many. I've lost Chris. He's just worried about fishing, so he's lagging behind. Babies and the mama. Pretty.
So when it rains a lot, this spring gets pushed back up to
Grand Gulf,
Grand Gulf.
which we did earlier today, which will be a separate video that we'll put
And
in
it
the
fills
corner.
it up.
Yeah, it fills it up. It's crazy. So we make sure you go over and watch the other video because it's really neat. You can tell it's cold because it's almost green. Yeah. It does. Okay, it's not clean and filled. I always think of a spring being clean, but alright guys,
That's it.
from Mammoth Springs. It was really pretty. We're gonna head back to our little cabin and
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some dinner going.
We're gonna have some
Brats. And then
a campfire, a
little campfire. And then we are going to,
chill.
yeah. I thought, yeah. Are you gonna fish tonight?
I'll try to wait till tomorrow.
Wait till tomorrow. Alrighty. Guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to go over there and watch the Grand Gulf State Park video. It was a really pretty weekend for sure.
It ain't over yet. We still
No.
got tomorrow.
But it's, I mean, just really neat stuff down here right on the border of Missouri and Arkansas in the Ozarks. Thanks for watching.